So, traders, Happy New Year, Happy 2026, and I'm grateful to be back on YouTube so I can be uploading content and helping you guys, and most of all, growing with you guys and making sure that I add value within your trading journey. But like I've said, Happy New Year, traders, Happy New Year, Happy New Week. Hope you guys are prepared for the new week, and I hope you guys are putting in the work and doing all that you'll be doing, because this year it's only 2026, and on 2026 we're only reaping the seeds of we're only sowing the seeds, we're only reaping the fruits of every seed that we've sown. But before we get any further with the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that has right with on how to recommend. If you're looking to be assisted in 2026 in any way, shape, or form, whether you're looking for a one-on-one, an in-person course, or you're just looking to be mentored every day by us, then you're gonna take the time and the opportunity. Take my number, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, or any source of communication tool, so I can chop it up with you, change your trading for the good and better. But without further ado, let me share to you guys possible weekly trading direction, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week. And first bit that we're going to be starting off with is nasdaq. So you guys can clearly see on nasdaq that price has this intraday resistance, right? Based on price giving us this push to the upside and giving us reactions with a fill to continue bullish and a move to the downside, coming back again, pushing to the downside, and then on our intraday move, price gave us this high, push to the downside, coming back again to give us this very same reaction on that very same high. So all we're going to be focusing on based on our trade idea is for us to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is based on two things. If price breaks above our resistance, we look for those continuations to the upside. But if price fails to break, then we're going to say price has a reaction on our resistance, and price gave us an intraday double top. That's when we're going to look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on nasdaq for the coming week. Like I said, price on our trade idea, we're going to confirm, or we're going to wait for confirmation. Break above, we'll continue bullish. Fail to break, we'll look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And gold, just gold is more relatable like nasdaq, right? Because price has push of a higher high and a push of a higher low. So with price urging to come back, urging to push further to look for those moves to the upside, or price might look for those moves to the downside. So all we're going to be focusing on, like I said, gold is more relatable like nasdaq, right? We're going to be waiting for confirmation. Confirmation is very simple. If price gives us a break above our really same high, then we're going to look for continuations to the upside. But if price gives us a fail to break, we're going to have a double top and a reaction on the high, and look for those moves to the downside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on. Confirmation is all we're going to be waiting for based on our trade idea on gold. But without further ado, last but not least, we have the usdcad. And usdcad price sorry about that. So last pair that we're going to be focusing on is usdcad. So usdcad price is looking bullish based on us giving us high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, and a push of a high to end the week. So that's also our previous intraday high, and you can clearly see price give us a clean break and retest and continue to the upside. So based on our trade idea, all we're focusing on, it's for bullish setups that will need to confirm based on this push, exhaustion, and continuation push. If price gives us an exhaustion and breaks above our higher high, then we're going to look for those moves to the downside, to the upside. But if price gives us a push, continuation, and a push, and gives us a flat button, then we're still going to look for those moves to the upside, because all we're focusing on is for bullish setups, and that's all. If you don't get anything from that, then we don't put our money to work, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. So this is the first video of 2026, all I ask of you guys is to share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, like on the video, and most of all, share the video to other traders so they can benefit, so they can grow, so they can be better and evolve and be profitable and professional traders like you are, based on the knowledge and the jobs that CT Academy has always shared to you guys. But before we end the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and for the most part of it, click the link to sign up for the broker that you trade with, and I will come in. 2026, we're going far, killing it, and we're making it bag. Without further ado, this is Opa Harlem, he's COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.